So we're broadcasting at 12:10 a.m. from Rockaway Beach. It's really hard to see right now, but it's calm eeriness before the storm. There's a section of sand dune that they had pushed up that actually, just from the tide, just from early this evening, it's actually washed out already. Very few people are out right now. The machines have gone in for the night. I'm actually having some trouble right now with my light on my camera. But I just figured I'd just do a short, quick broadcast. Show you how things are looking right now. Calm before the storm. Over here there's actually some part of like the wood jetty that's actually exposed already. Should be interesting to see how it is. Keep this one short. See this whole section that's right here. And that's my dog, so I'm going to call it a short right now. Everybody have a good night, and I'll broadcast when we have some more daylight and better light.